Flow, my tears fall from your springs, exiled forever, let me mourn. When night's blackbird her sad infamy sings, then let me live forlorn. Down, vain lights, shine you no more. No nights are dark enough for those that in despair their last fortunes deplore. Light doth but shame peace close. Never may my woes be relieved, since pity is fled, and tears and sighs and groans, my weary days of all joys have deprived. From the highest height of contentment, my fortune is thrown, and fear and grief and pain for my deserts are my hope, since hope is gone. Hark, you shadows that in darkness dwell, learn to contemn light. Happy, happy they that in hell feel not the world's despite. Hark, you shadows that in darkness dwell, learn to contemn